Let's create. For this delicious pork chop salad, this is going to be amazing. First thing, you're going to put some salt. And I'm going to go with the fine salt. I don't want the sea salt, I want just the fine one. Kosher salt. You can go Himalayan too. And you're going to do this on both sides, okay? Ziploc bag, vinegar. Not a lot, this is about maybe quarter of a cup, a little bit more. You're going to add the pork chops here. You can do this overnight or you can do it for 30 minutes, okay? You close the Ziploc bag and then you're going to centralize everything. Take the air out. And let it marinate, okay? So they become tender. That's what the vinegar is going to do. Let me show you how to prepare the sesame oil dressing. So let me start with some of the sesame oil. Got a tablespoon. 1, 2, 8 tablespoons. Then I'm going to come with a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to add some mirin. And I think I'm going to add a couple tablespoons. Actually, 1 is enough. 1 tablespoon is enough. And then I'm going to put some honey. About a teaspoon. Look at this honey. A teaspoon. Then I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon. Mixing acidic and sweetness. Then I'm going to mix it up. And I like to add some sesame seeds. Just a few. Optionally, you can add some crushed red pepper. Just a little bit. Mix it up. And put in the refrigerator, okay? I'm going to steam some matchstick carrots. I have water at the bottom of this, by the way. And I'm going to let it steam, okay? Got the pork chops ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some all-purpose flour. Several tablespoons, okay? Then you're going to get some baking powder. You're going to add about a teaspoon. Sprinkle it. Let me add some pepper, just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit, sprinkle. Turmeric with some nice color. Just sprinkle a little bit. just a little bit. And I want to add a little bit of small paprika, okay? Just a little bit. The smoky, nice color and smoky flavor. And then what you're going to do, you're going to get this pork chop. Get it dusted on one side, dusted in the other. And do the same with the other pork chop, okay? Cooking oil. I'm going to go with the cast iron. You can use any pan. Go cast iron for me because I like how the heat evenly distribute. So a couple notches above medium, maybe medium high. Going to add these babies. About 4 minutes later, going to turn around. Get the other side cooked too. Full disclosure, from the vinegar that I have here, I put about a tablespoon or two. When I started cooking it, that's optional. Let this other side cook. Time to get them out. Put in a paper plate with some paper so it can absorb the grease. And do the same with the other one, okay? Boil a couple eggs. And I'm going to boil them for about 12 minutes. Make sure you don't throw the water away because you're going to need it for the bean sprouts, okay? 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, water here, cold water, like from the sink, faucet. Remove the eggs, 12 minutes later. And then I'm going to put this water in here, okay? Carrots. Sprouts. Pork chops. Cucumbers. Eggs. Sesame dressing.